Probably get some good videos.
Alright, you guys. Oh, wait, can't see me. This, there's Seth,
Hi.
our driver, is the flooding of Nashville, Tennessee, or actually the Old Middle Tennessee, May 1st and 2nd, 2010. So, here we go. Wait a minute, let me roll the window. This is like a river. This is nothing. Well, yeah, probably. Well, it's now a river. It was a creek. This is nothing compared to what we've already seen. God, that. That's nothing though. Alright. Yeah. We'll put them all together. Get over here. Jeez. Rapids! I got my swim trunks and my flippy floppies. Oh my. No, really. Sorry. Thanks. Oh. There's a lake.
Look at this lake over here. Oh geez, look at that one. It's the chocolate river from Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka! Totally. Look at that, man.